What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. This is your first time to the channel. Welcome. So today this video is going to be kind of basic and pretty quick. So today we're working on the Bronco in the garage. Sorry, it's a little bit dark. Turn on some lights. There we go. So today, just a really quick little video on something that I would highly recommend. Especially if, you use your Bronco a lot, a lot of off-roading, if you have pets and you're putting your pets in there, something I would highly recommend doing right from the get-go. So I actually bought this pretty cheap. It's a nice little mat that goes in the back. It is not through Ford. Ford charges quite a bit. I do have my Ford points that I'm going to use probably for better floor mats. I just have kind of some plain ones right now. They work, as you can see, they get the dirt, keep the carpet clean, but I want ones that are really fitted, nice and tight. So I'm going to probably just get those to Ford. But I actually got this mat that goes in the back right here for like 40 bucks. So here's how it came. Open it up really quick. Possibly open it up really quick. Let's see. Set you down for a second. Yeah, so like I was saying, anyways, I would highly recommend getting one of these with a 2-door or 4-door. Doesn't really matter, which one it is. Especially if you're off-roading a lot, like I said. That's going to be something that I think you should have. Keep the, car as clean as possible and mud off of it. And once you get hair in it, as you can see from mine, I haven't even put my dogs in here, but dog hair gets in here from all sorts of crap. So I'm going to vacuum it. But I bought this little mat. This is it. I have some coming for the back that come all the way down. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It's a little bit big, it looks like, or I might have it facing the wrong way. Let's see, let's try it this way. There we go, that's a better fit. Yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty nice. I'm probably gonna put some weights right here to get it to hold down. But yeah, this was $40 on Amazon. I'll put it in my link in the bio. If you're looking to get something like this, I've been looking for a while. I did find another really good kit. I'll put that one in that link in the bio too. It has the front seat covers, or front floor mats, again, the kind I want, the cover all the way around, the back that covers all the way around. Comes with a nice, really, really nice mat, nicer than this, and back seat covers. So yeah, I'll put that in the link. But yeah, this is pretty nice for only being like 40 bucks. And again, mainly for me, I just want to try to keep the hair, the dirt, stuff like this. Like, you see, it's getting dirty and covered with stuff. Covered with stuff. So I'm gonna try to eventually add those, what are they, like the mold panels that go right here to kind of cover it and protect it, and I can attach stuff. I do want to do that for the windows too, and for this side, just again to protect the plastic as much as possible. Stuff's getting dirty and scuffed, so I just want to try to protect it as much as possible. So you can see it's kind of dirty right here. Luckily it's not a scratch, which again, all this is just dirt. So trying to keep as much scratches off of this and maintain it as much as possible. I know it is just plastic and it is going to eventually get scratched up, but I'd like to make it last as long as possible. So same with the carpets. This is, like I said, a really nice quick upgrade. That's really it. Take it out of the bag, set it down, make sure you have it facing the right way, and that's it. So yeah, hopefully if you're thinking about trying to get stuff, or if you've been looking online trying to find a good deal for this stuff, like I said, I found those for I think $40 for this, and then the back ones were only $37. So I'll add the link for both of those in the bio, like I said, and then I'll add the link that I was gonna, the floor mats I was gonna get, I'll add that link too It was a little bit more expensive. It was like $175, but it came with everything and it looked like it was a really nice kit. So as you can see, the exhaust is right there. So if you're interested on adding a dual exhaust to your Bronco, check out some of my other videos. I have lots of videos of the Bronco. It really needs a wash, so I think that's the plan for today, to go get it washed. But yeah, thank you for watching 303 Streets. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. Thank you.